This podcast was made with a virtual voice. Giving color to the city, it's a colorful podcast that I offer you today. And for that, I will take you not on the right bank, but on the left bank of Rouen. For once, we are leaving our beautiful and rich right bank to take an interest in the left bank, which has recently opened up to street art. Come on, I'll let you take one of the city's 7 bridges, and I'll be waiting for you in the Saint-Sever district, right next to the metro stop with the same name. Here, we are at Hanover Square, in front of a somewhat atypical passage. As you will have noticed, street art has come to lodge in the very heart of this passage, thanks to bright colors. This original work, entitled Vertigo, was produced by Claude Blo Ricci, born in Lyon but who now lives and works in Berlin, who designed a composition of vibrant, living and colorful forms to highlight the passage under this monumental arch. Some of you may even see it as a magical passage to another world. So, if you like street art, I invite you to take a stroll on the left bank and especially on the quays to see some magnificent examples, and for those who prefer the right bank, street art is also present there, notably Vertigo Street and Auguste Houzeau Street.